king? And you never told us?
Whoa, sexy! What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome for the first time. For those of you who don't know, my name is Reese, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I installed this super cute, quick, and easy drawstring ponytail. So it's definitely not rocket science. I'm sure you guys have seen people wearing these before, but I just got one. And I don't think I've ever had one like this long. Actually, I feel like most of my drawstring ponytails are like natural looking and super curly. So I think this is my first like straightish textured drawstring ponytail. Before we get into the install, I'm going to be showing you guys what kind of ponytail this is for those of you who are interested, and it'll also be linked down below. So this one is by Bobbi, and it says it's the Tress Up Ponytail series. And this particular one is called Body Wave, and it's 28 inches. So it does come with a comb in the front, a comb in the back, and then a drawstring on the side. So it's pretty simple. All you're gonna need to do is go ahead and gather your hair up however you do. Put it up in a tight ponytail, not too tight though, but put it in a tight ponytail, and then wrap it into a bun as small as you can get it. And then once you're done with the bun, you're just going to go ahead and apply the ponytail. Now I like to put the back clip in first, then I go ahead with the front clip, pull the drawstring, then I wrap the drawstring all the way around the ponytail and tuck it into the side. Once I'm done with that, I did take a little piece of hair out of the ponytail and just wrapped it around the base so that it could kind of hide any ponytail holders or drawstrings that might have been showing. Then after that, I just went ahead and pulled out a little bit of hair on my sides. And y'all, I don't know what's going on because I just went to a wedding and my sides was way longer and now they're shorter. So I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I pulled out some little sides for my fake baby hair or wispy effect. And let me say this, because a lot of people, like, I did a ponytail before and I did wispy sides like this, and a lot of people was like, it would have looked better if you gelled your edges. Like, well sis, you gel your edges. I wanted to do this. I really like the wispy look, and no negative comment is going to make me change my mind. So do your edges however you want. I just got my hair flat ironed and trimmed at the shop, so I'm not going to be putting any edge control or gel on my edges, but of course you do whatever you please for your hair. So yeah, I just went ahead and brushed out a little bit of hair on the sides, and you guys, this is literally the look. It took 5 minutes, like literally 5 minutes. Now obviously if your hair is in its natural state, it might take a little longer, but you know, it's a super quick and easy style to do on the go. So this is the look. I actually am feeling this. Like, stop playing. If I didn't have to do more reviews, I would definitely be leaving this in. And that is going to conclude this video. Super quick and easy. If you enjoyed or if it was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below and click that bell notification symbol so that you're notified each and every time that I upload. So thank you so much. As always, I love you. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because why not? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.